Oh my god. What's up? What is up today? Since it's October, I put myself on mute because she's gonna laugh at me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Of course I can't hear you, dumb bitch.
What is up? So today, since it's October, I want to be a little spooky. Since October has started, I will do some Halloween makeup. I'll try to do some scary makeup. I watched the movie It was pretty cool. I like the first one better, so I'm gonna do I'm gonna do some makeup inspired by Pennywise. First, you're gonna take your primer, put a little there. You look yourself in the mirror, you make sure your primer is well set, and then you're done. So thanks for watching. I'm kidding. I say it's Pennywise because clowns are related to him today, but I want to try to do a kind of a full glam makeup clown thing. I'm gonna stop talking and start. First, I got these yellow contacts from this Korean store. Try to put them on. If you have contacts, you put them on first because it's gonna be a hassle if you want to put it all after your makeup, and then you're gonna cry and then it's gonna ruin all your makeup and then you have to reapply and that shit. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna come back in 5 hours and see how it is. Okay? Okay. Wash your hands first.
2,000 years later.
Oh, I don't see anything different. After you cried a bunch, you finally put them in. I don't know if I can continue my makeup look. I'm just gonna do my base as usual, and we're gonna come back. Instead of using my normal foundation, I'm gonna want to do some concealer and have a fair skin tone. I look like a ghost. C'est quand t'as l'air f***ing crusty. Gotta do the contour. Oh. Oh god, this is ugly. I'll do my brows. Clean the brow bone. Okay. So.
Stop.
Oh! Who's the clumsiest bitch on this earth? Oh my god! Oh! Girl. Someone needs to buy me a new highlighter right now.
No.
You know how it's already broken? Oh my god. How am I? Oh! I thought I was crying because of my contacts. Take a shot every time I make a mistake. You'd be drunk after 1 minute. What I wanted to do is to show this because that's what I'm using. Obviously, that's not what happened. Stupid. You know that Vine where it says like, the Vine says, "You idiots. You colossal moron." Oh, life is great. Just, you know. Just keep living, man. Keep living your life. It's gonna be one of the saddest videos. Take a fluffy brush and go in the red. Oh my god, wow, that's fugly. After the contacts, like my makeup skills, they just like went by. I took some black. I look like I got punched in the face. Tiny brush. That worked so much better. Cut crease time. Ooh, yes. They're back. My makeup skills are back. They just had a crisis. Oh. Gonna set that with some flashback. Okay. I think I'm gonna outline my cut crease.
Imagine knowing what
I forgot to set my face.
Est-ce que c'est le Laurent Mercier?
Non, ça c'est une mini-so. Don't wear black when you're setting your face with translucent powder. Like, that's the stupidest thing you could ever do. Now, I'm gonna take some liquid lipstick, tiny brush. Yo, I might not even post this. This is so fugly, I can't. You look straight. I give up.
You look funny.
I know, and that's with makeup. I want to cry right now, but I came this far, so I'm like f***ing attractive right now. Dip in the red. Goddamn. Better than sexless, girl. It's just like a red lipstick. Then we put some black lipstick around. Tiny lipstick in the middle because I have it a little. Okay, I'm done. I just set my face, but like I don't know where I'm going after this. Okay, well, I give up. The buds wouldn't stay, so this is the finished look.
That looks good.
I want to cry after this. Even though I struggled my life, it turned out good. So this is the finished look. Thank you for watching. Stay spooky. More looks coming soon if I have time to edit. Thanks for watching. Bye.